Hi there, it's Erin here from Three Birds Renovations, and I'm at my house that we've recently renovated. Now I'm going to show you how we've carried the urban farmhouse vision throughout the property using these beautiful Intrim skirting and architraves.
Oh, it feels like home.
To add some character and charm, we chose a more traditional style of skirting board. They have a tall profile which creates a real feature throughout the home. Now this is the first time we've used skirting blocks. So these skirting blocks sit at the bottom of the architrave here where it meets the skirting boards. They work beautifully with door frames as the block accentuates the framing. When it comes to choosing architraves, one thing to note is that they don't always have to match the skirting. For example, we went with a smaller profile, but the detail connects them perfectly. Skirting and architraves can really help elevate the style of your home, whilst adding value and should not be forgotten about. Whether it's you or your trades, you can buy direct from Intrim and they'll have it delivered straight to your site. So jump online today and pick out your perfect skirting and architraves from Intrim.
Oh, it feels like home.